Okay, y'all, we trying to make this American Christmas dinner in Kenya. Matter of fact, Southern American Christmas dinner. You know, y'all in New York don't do it like this. So we got the collard greens right here. I'm gonna go ahead and what we got right here.
This is the base for the stuffing.
The base for the stuffing. We had it's like a homemade stovetop we had to put in there.
So we toasted up the bread. We made toast and then we chopped it, and then we also mixed cornbread
and seasoned it.
And Italian.
Oh yeah, the cornbread is in it. The homemade cornbread. We'll show y'all that when everything comes out.
Cornbread. Oh, don't show the cornbread.
Oh well, you can put it in there. We had to make it yesterday, y'all, because it's
and it came out so good.
Yeah.
We'll show y'all when we put it on the plates.
We don't have the super big fridge. Remember, we still live in a hotel.
And y'all don't laugh at my pie. My pie, I know it's gonna taste delicious, but it was a little different making the pie.
Oh, it's dark now. It was like super light. Like the pie was actually yellow at first.
But I think it's gonna be really good, and I'll show y'all when it's done.
This is the oven we had to buy. You know, Kenya is not known for baking, but we have to bring it here. We're going to have to merge the two cultures.
So we're making baked macaroni down here. And with no Velveeta, because I don't even think they sell Velveeta yet.
I haven't seen it.
So we only use cheese. And then here we're making chicken thighs.
Chicken thighs.
And then we're going to use the broth to make the stuffing and also make some gravy and perlo rice.
Right. We would have bought a bone, but we forgot. You know, you can buy bones here to cook with.
To make the broth, right?
To make the broth, yeah.
Welcome to our Christmas dinner reveal. So we live full-time in Kenya. We moved from the U.S. about a year and a half ago, and this is our first Christmas we're actually spending in Kenya. So my husband's gonna bring over the food. We spent last Christmas in the U.S., and this is our first Christmas we're spending in Kenya, where we actually cook an American Christmas dinner.
American-ish.
American-ish. And I think it's actually going to be just as good, if not better, because we are making a lot of the stuff from scratch. But we're not having a turkey. Like Jermaine will tell you everything that we made.
Okay.
Got a few more things to reveal.
The gravy is over there, right?
So let me tell you what we decided to make. In place of turkey, we went ahead and made chicken thighs. And with the chicken thighs, we are going to have what we call in the South perlo rice. And it's rice that's made with chicken broth and also just seasonings. Then we have stuffing. And stuffing is a mix of cornbread, toasted bread, and sausage and peppers.
Up north you say stuffing. Down south we say dressing.
Okay,
we don't stuff nothing.
So it's dressing. And typically people use stovetop or Pepperidge Farm, but we actually had to make ours from scratch because those things either are not available here or you have to buy them imported and they're really expensive. We also made baked macaroni and cheese, and we made some collard greens. We made cornbread from scratch. This is not Jiffy. This is cornbread from scratch, made with flour, cornmeal, eggs, and all of the good stuff. Then we also made some gravy. And then I also made a sweet potato pie, which I left in just a little bit too long because I was trying to get the crust to brown. I was using the crust that I never used before, as well as sweet potato that I never used before, but I think it's gonna be good and the inside is gonna be good for sure. We also made iced tea using Kenyan black tea sachets. So that's that.
Except it's not iced tea because there's no ice.
Yes, we don't have any ice, so it's cold tea. We actually made it yesterday and we let it cool. So yeah, this is our Christmas dinner. Christmas with the Washingtons.
Yes.
2025. First Christmas in Kenya. So we're about to grab us some plates, get us something to eat, and then we'll let you guys know what it tastes like because we have no idea what the food tastes like.
Let me see. Got to start with this rice. I'm just get a little bit because I don't know if it's lunchtime or dinner time. It's kind of, what time is it like? I don't know, middle of the day.
Is 2:35. So we just finished cooking. It's 2:35 in the afternoon.
Okay, let me get another spoon just in case.
Jermaine's plate.
Okay.
I am gonna start with a piece of chicken. And I'm gonna get some dressing.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna get a little bit of collard greens. And we didn't put any ham hock or any pork or anything like that in the collard greens. They're just really fresh collard greens.
Yeah, next year it'll be something. We got to find something. They do have something, but they're not big on pork like we are in the U.S.
And then
I don't know about having a boozy ham hock. I don't know if that's possible.
some macaroni. And I am going to get a piece of cornbread.
No rice?
No, you know, I have enough carbs on my plate. I don't want to add any more carbs. So I'm going to get a piece of cornbread. And this cornbread is so soft and so fluffy. So
Okay.
that's my plate, guys.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to try everything. I hadn't tasted the food.
How's it taste?
The macaroni is good. It's bussin'.
Tastes a little everything.
The macaroni is good.
But the stuff,
Not quite like home, but good.
good enough?
Yeah, need some salt.
Okay. Stuffing? Iffy?
The stuffing is okay.
Not like home?
Not like home.
Because we missing two things.
Yeah, not like home, but it's good.
Okay.
It's a good replica.
Okay, yeah, we are in Kenya. We not home, so.
Let me taste the chicken. And the chicken is soft, it's tender.
Yeah?
Yeah, the chicken is good. Cornbread, I like it.
You like it? All right.
Everything is good. It just tastes different from home. It doesn't taste exactly like home,
Oh.
but it's a good effort.
So you like it? Will that do?
Yes, it's a good effort. I'm gonna let you try it and then you can say.
Okay. Okay.
All right, so now Jermaine is gonna try Christmas dinner.
Let's figure this the easiest one. Let's see.
All right, that's the macaroni.
Yeah, macaroni, that's the rice and gravy.
Oh,
But yeah, that's good. That's straight. Fresh. You can tell that ham hock not in there. Or that fat back.
what's that? The stuffing?
The stuffing is good. It's just different because we don't have stove top. We got to make our own stove top.
That's why I said it's good, but it's just different.
It's different.
Now Jermaine's gonna try the baked macaroni.
Try that macaroni. Just try it this way. Yeah, the stuffing's it's good, but it's
It's
different.
way different.
It's
than
way
stuffing
different,
in
yeah.
America.
It's this Kenyan American blend.
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna have to patent the recipe, trademark it.
The cheese is different too.
Yes.
I tasted the chicken. This is one thing I realized, right?
Yes.
It's not gonna be just like home, which is okay because I'm not home.
Right.
But man, it's good.
Yes.
Right. So it's good enough for me to not miss a good old traditional American, Southern American Christmas dinner.
Yeah, you see, everything is good. It's like nothing came out nasty. It's just that it's just so different.
It's different. The ingredients are different.
That's the thing. All the ingredients are different. And usually when we make it at home, we use so many preservatives that it just has a unique taste. But this is all kind of fresh. It's like the cheese, because even the cheese doesn't have preservatives in it.
Yeah, it kind of tastes like it used to taste when I was back in the country. For you Kenyans, is the ushago. That's where I'm from. So I think it was a pretty good effort for our first Christmas in Kenya, in Nairobi.
Yeah, so your ingredients, Kenya, did not disappoint.
No, it's good.
We were definitely able to put together a traditional Southern Christmas dinner because that is one of our traditions back home. We always celebrate Christmas with family around.
And Thanksgiving.
And Thanksgiving. So, yeah, this definitely was a great effort.
Yes. So good Christmas dinner in Kenya.
Yes. All right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop any comments you have in the comment section below. Bye.
Bye.